comfortable slippers, easy to perform, from Sikyan. Cast on 6 stitches and work knit stitches only. It's 5 inches 13 centimeters. Slip all stitches to a cable needle. It will displace. And pick up 10 stitches with the second color. Work first row, all stitches knit. Next row, 1 slip and 1 stitch. Knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and purl 2 stitches together. Total 10 stitches. Second row, work all stitches knit. Continue 1 slip and 1 stitch. Knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and work 2 purl together. Back all stitches knit. Continue knit pattern. Work 10 rows. Remove the yarn and slip all stitches to cable needle. Make mirror part. It looks like this. Use circle needles. Pick up here 5 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knit stitches from cable needle. Pick up 5 stitches here. 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, and knit these stitches. Now it looks like this. Now 1 slip and 1 stitch. And continue to knit. Add 1 stitch before the last stitch, purl, and work 1 row. Next row 1 slip and 1 stitch and knit. Add 1 before the last stitch, purl, and remove the yarn. Mark 6 middle stitches, slip stitches until the marker, in the first color work 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 stitches together. Back, continue 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 stitches together. And continue 5 plus 2 stitches together. Work until 6 stitches on the needle and continue per your size. Cast off. Make edge with the I-cord or 1 row, or crochet 1 row. Around. Slippers are ready. It's look like this.